Hello all. In today's video we are going to look at the top 30 questions and answers related with the JIRA tool. Okay, so first question is most important question is what is mean by JIRA. So basically JIRA is a, you can say it's a work management tool or a one software where it is used for tracking the issue, or it is a software tool developed by Atlassian and commonly used for the bug tracking, project management and issue tracking. So basically the JIRA is a work management tool which use for different types of use cases, like requirement and test case management. So it is a product or software tool basically used for bug or issue tracking. So it is commonly used for project management, then bug tracking, issue tracking, and so it is having a wide area of application which found in software field, means it is used in software development as well as in testing. So basically JIRA is having three products. First one is a JIRA core, then JIRA software and JIRA service desk. So basically the JIRA core is used for general purpose task management. JIRA software is used for where agile methodology is used, and JIRA service desk is used as a support ticket ticketing system. So the name JIRA is basically come from the Japanese word named as a Gojira, which means Godzilla. So this JIRA is based on the agile methodology, and the recent or the mostly used version of JIRA is 6. Next question is why to use a JIRA software, as the JIRA is used for bug tracking or issue tracking, right? So this JIRA is basically a platform independent tool and that can run on any operating system. Is the basic use of JIRA, or is the main feature of JIRA which make it more useful. Then this JIRA workflow is easy and customized. It is also cost effective solution, and using JIRA tool used for easily debug the complex errors. Then this particular JIRA tool, you can say it is this its features is not available elsewhere, means whatever the features are available in the JIRA are very common and unique. So it is easily extensible and customizable. These are the some reasons of using this JIRA software. Then the next main question is what are the benefits of using JIRA, as this JIRA is easy and easily customizable and extensible, as well as it is a platform independent. Then you can get a latest update on the, means what is the progress in the project. Then you can easily use, right? So these are the some features or benefits of using JIRA. Then you can merge the answer of why to use JIRA and benefits of using JIRA. Then the next question is what are the color indicators in JIRA and mention their significance. As in JIRA there are some basic colors are used like blue color, orange color and green color. So what is the purpose of each and every color? So basically in JIRA for particular issue there are three colors, namely blue, green and orange are used. So it shows how much time is spent on particular issue, or basically you can say this section is showing the time tracking, right? So blue color, this color denotes the original estimation of time for particular issue. Then orange color, this color denotes the remaining estimation time, and green color denotes the time spent or a logged details. So means what, the blue color is used to show the original estimation, so this estimation of time to be spent for resolving issue, so you can see it in a estimation in blue color. Orange means how much time is remaining, the orange color is for time left to resolve the issue. Then green color is shows for actual time that has been spent for solving this issue till now, so you can see this filled into logged. Then the next question is it possible to access JIRA cloud site via mobile device? So the answer is yes, it is possible to access through a mobile device. Then the next question is what is mean by JIRA workflow. This JIRA workflow you can say it is a set of software related activities that are used to perform the different operations like tracking an issue, right? So this transition, there are different transition links between two status of issues move from one transition status to another transition status. So basically there are different phases are involved in this workflow. So what are the different workflows are there or different phases are there, like to do list, then in progress status, and the finally done. Means what? The Jira workflow is nothing but the set of activities that are performed to track the transition of issues during the life cycle of issue, where transition represents the link between two status when the issue moves from one status to another status, right? So there are phases like to do, in progress, done, right? So basically this Jira workflow is known as a defect life cycle or bug life cycle. So it consists of different phases, like open means when issue is created by the tester, it is in open state. Then in progress means what? When this phase where software developers start working on that issue. And resolved means what? When software developer are waiting for verification, means they have fixed the issue and they are waiting for verification from the tester. Reopen means what? If tester again found some issue, then they will reopen that issue. And close means what? If verification is done successfully, then the phase comes known as a closed state. Okay, so this is nothing but the workflow of Jira. Then next question is, explain how issue is created in a Jira. So basically to create a issue in Jira involve the different steps. Like first, in Jira there is a button on the top screen named as a create. So you can click on the create issue button or dialog box. Then there are different options are available. You can select the project where you found the issue, then type the summary or some description related to that issue, and make sure you have checked all the fields correctly before creating the issue, and then create on the validate button. So these are the different steps to create a issue in Jira. Then what is the issue types? What are the different issue types that are created and tracked via Jira? So there are different issue types. So what are that? So Jira has some defined issue types, like uh, which can be known as the basically or common issue types are like bug, task, subtask, epic, or story. So uh, there are so an issue in Jira can be bug or task is the main or mostly known, you can say, the type of issue, right? So each Jira product comes with default issue type. So there are three types of Jira product, like Jira Core, Jira Software, or Jira Service Desk, right? So there are two types of issue exist in Jira Core. Jira Core is having two types of issue. The first one is known as a task and subtask. Task means what? It is work which we have to complete, and subtask means piece of work which we need to complete under the task. And in Jira software, there are different issue types like bug, epic, subtask, task, and story. So bug means what? A problem that exists in functionality of product. Epic means user story, and story means which is the smallest unit of work we need to complete. Then there is Jira Service Desk type. It include the different eight issue types. What are that? That is change, IT, incident, new, problem, service, service request with approval, and support. These are the different issue types which comes under the Jira Service Desk tool. So what is meant by change? It requests a change in current IT profile. IT means what? It requests a help related to IT related problem. Incident, it is used for reporting incident. New, it requests for adding new feature. Problem, it is used for investigation. Service, which helps for from internal or customer service desk. And service request with approval means it requesting a help that require approval from manager or board. And support, It is used for requesting help for a customer support related issues. So these are the different issue types which are created and tracked via JIRA. Then the next mostly asked question is, what are the useful JIRA add-ons, or what are the different add-ons of JIRA? So there are basically some JIRA add-ons like the JIRA toolkit plugin, then Jenkins CL, User Snap, then JIRA portfolio, then Zapier, script runner of JIRA, then Tempo timesheet, then JIRA charting plugin, then JIRA music workflow extension, then uh, PagerDuty. These are the some add-ons which comes under the JIRA. Then what are the issues in JIRA labeled? Or why are the issues in JIRA are labeled? Means what? The issues in JIRA are labeled in order to categorize the issue with particular section. Means what? This can be help easily to search with the help of label. So once you can say, once you label the particular issue, it will be very useful to find out it, or you can edit that issue by finding the label. Then the most important next question is, what do you mean by scheduling the issue? So scheduling issue means what? Scheduling the issue means scheduling the work of issue for particular due date, or for function of work you must have a schedule issue permission. So here the field due date is populated and you are going to schedule the issue. Then what is meant by audit log? Basically, the audit log, here you can see all the details related with the issue, or under the audit log users see all the detail about issue which is generated, and here the changes also reflected. Whatever the changes is made in issue is also reflected in the audit log. Then what is meant by JIRA dashboard? JIRA dashboard is basically a type of web browser, or you can say it's a web page that include many user friendly tools and features to work on any kind of issue. So JIRA dashboard is a dashboard which you will see when you open the JIRA. Okay, so in the first display, when you opens the JIRA, the dashboard shows the tools and application that helps to track the progress of project. So this is nothing but the JIRA dashboard. Then what is meant by Agile Dashboard? So the main Agile Dashboard is a main user interface that an end user will use for the on daily basis for tracking the project. Is called as Agile Board. So this Agile Board allows you to visualize the various tasks in the product, and also available there are some steps are available in workflow. So uh, some configuration fields are comes along with this Agile Board, like board name, then administrator means administrator are who can configure the setting. Then you can say save the filter means here the controls which issues will be included in Agile Board. Then shares access the filter control, field description, then filter query, then ranking and projects in the board are some, you can say, fields which are available in Agile Board. Then next is, what is meant by Kanban board in JIRA? So the Kanban board in JIRA is nothing but a board that can be created either using Kanban. Okay, so this board is suitable for those who focus only on managing and constraining work in progress time. So basically this Kanban board are created for a project where teams has their prime focus on visualizing the workflow and managing the work progress. So there are, you can say, if you want to access the Kanban board, or you have to create a Kanban board, then you need to first log into a JIRA application. Then you have to select a create project and then select on the Kanban software development and then create on the next button. So you can create your Kanban board. So the important aspect of Kanban board is it is given in a mode, as work planning of project is not done yet. Means for managing the product, this particular Kanban board is used. Then what are the different components used in a JIRA? So basically the JIRA components are nothing but the subdivision of project, which is used to group the issues within the software into smaller one, is nothing but the components in JIRA. Then what is the use of move issue wizard in JIRA? So the move issue wizard enables you to specify another project in JIRA. So it permits you to change the attribute in issue, like issue type you can change, issue state you can change, then custom fields you can change. So this is nothing but the move issue. Then what is mean by cloning an issue in JIRA? So first understand what is meant by cloning. So cloning allows user to create a duplicate of original issue, so such that multiple team members can work on a single issue. So the clone can be linked to a original issue and hold the information, like means basically you are going to duplicate the issue, right? So it is also duplicating the summary, description, assignee, environment, then priority, issue type, security, reporters, components of issue. So cloning an issue is basically means you are going to copy a issue, right? So it allows you to quickly make available copy of issue inside similar projects, and where different team members can work on a similar issue, right? So then what is not included in clone issue, what components are not comes under cloning? So the time tracking, then comment and issue history is not, you are not going to clone. Then next is how can we modify the bulk issue? So if you want to modify a bulk issue, you need to use a bulk change option. So go to tool, then menu, and select all issues of the current page that can be used for bulk operation. Here you can get the different details like workflow, transition, delete, move, edit. So you can easily modify the bulk issues. Then how does service desk work in a JIRA? So in JIRA, the service desk works like a, here client can express a demand of service agent through entryway. Okay, then the service desk sees the demand in JIRA service desk. Then the client and different members can use the entry or email to discuss about the demand, and then with the assigned service desk agent who works in the JIRA service desk. Finally, the specialist finish the task and client demands the fulfillment. So basically the service desk explains how customer and service desk agent can work together to resolve the issue, is the main purpose of this JIRA service desk. So here firstly customer need to submit the request, and then the JIRA agent will pick it up and complete the request for customer satisfaction, or till the customer gets satisfied. Then what is Scrum board in JIRA? So Scrum board is a physical board on which user stories are present in the current sprint backlogs are displayed. So Scrum board divided into different columns like stories, to do, in progress, done. So stories means it contain all user stories. To do, it contain the subtask. In progress, it is having the all task which work has started and done. The state contain all the task which all the work has to be completed. So basically Scrum board is nothing but a board that is created using Scrum present option. The Scrum board is suitable for those who have planning to work in a sprint times. Then the next is what is the difference between JIRA Kanban and JIRA Scrum? So for Kanban boards, the process flow is tracked. This work in progress activity are maintained, and here the team plan on increasing and decreasing number of issues that is to be shown as a status of workflow. And in Scrum board, what happened in Scrum board, it shows the progress of sprint along with the tracking of work is to be carried out. So here in work mode, where team decides the different types of issues have to be turned into backlog, which is moved into a sprint as per the plan. Then what is mean by JIRA scheme consists of? The JIRA scheme consists of notifications, which indicates the email someone receives when issue is changed. Then workflow, which indicates the workflow used for each issue type. Then permission, it indicates what to change, what changes can be made in issue by someone. Then issue type, like bug or new feature, can be given in JIRA project. Screen, it indicates where the field is playing input screen. And field configuration, this is used to define a field configuration in use of each issue type. Then the next question is, how are the reports generated in JIRA? So there are different steps to generate a report. So first is, you need to navigate to JIRA dashboard, then click on the report, and now you can find the different types of report. Now you have to switch the report and you can view the different types of report. You have to click on the report which you want in which type, and then click on the OK. So in this way you can generate the report. Then next question is, what is mean by labeling and linking the issue? So before that, we'll understand what are the different reports are generated in JIRA. So there are basically different types of report, like pie chart report, resolution time report, average age report, recent created issue report, single level report, user defined workflow report, velocity chart, version report, epic report, community flow diagram, control chart. Then you can say navigate to different project uh, dashboard, then single level group by report, then resolution report are the different reports which are generated under JIRA. Then what is meant by labeling and linking the issue in JIRA? So basically, the labeling means it enables you to categorize the issue in more informal way. Then assigning it to a component version, you can then search the issue according to a label. And linking the issue means what? It enables you to link the association between two issues in either on the same or different JIRA server. So this is nothing but the labeling and linking of the issue. Then the next question is, how the subtask is created in JIRA. So the subtask is a way of splitting the main task into small parts. So here you need to open the parent issue. By opening the parent issue, you can enter, you can search it by ID, right? Then on right hand side there is a issue description. You can click on the option display and then click on the subtask. Then it display a drop down option, and then you can create a subtask window is display. Here you can enter all mandatory details or description, and in this way you can create a subtask in JIRA. Then what is meant by events in JIRA? So event describes the status or the default template and the notification schemes and workflow transition. Then post function association of JIRA. So basically JIRA event gives you information about the status, then template, notification, scheme, workflow, transition related to, you can say, association of event. So it is basically there are two types of event, that is system event, which are JIRA defined event, and custom event, which are user defined event. Then what is the role of validators in JIRA? So validator checks the input to the transition by user is valid before the transition is performed. The role of validators in JIRA is to verify exactly this. So issue will not progress to destination status of transition in case of validator fail, if validator get failed. Then what is meant by JQL? The JQL is also known as a JIRA query language, is an advanced and flexible way of searching the issue in JIRA. So what it contain? It contain the different field, value, operators and keywords. So these are the basically some questions which are mostly asked for JIRA tool. So please check our other videos in description box and in I button. Please do subscribe to our channel. Please share and comment the channel. Thank you.